In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your ConvertKit email list with Payhip. This integration is really helpful if you're selling digital products or memberships through Payhip, and you want everyone who buys from you to automatically be added to your ConvertKit email list. That way, you can send follow-up emails, nurture sequences, and updates without having to manually copy and paste email addresses. We'll walk through this in two main parts. First, we'll grab your API key from ConvertKit. Then we'll connect that key inside your Payhip account so the two platforms can talk to each other behind the scenes. Let's start in ConvertKit. Go ahead and log into your ConvertKit dashboard. Once you're on the main dashboard page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon or your display name there. Click on that profile area to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select the option labeled Settings. This will take you to your account settings page. On this page, focus your attention on the menu running down the left-hand side. In that left sidebar, look for the section called Developer and click it. Inside the Developer section, you'll see a box showing your API details. There will be a label for your API key, and just below that, a field containing a long string of characters. This is your ConvertKit API key. Carefully select and copy this key. This is what allows Payhip to securely connect to your ConvertKit account, so make sure you copy it exactly without any extra spaces. Once you've copied the API key, it's time to switch over to Payhip. Log into your Payhip account. After you're logged in and you're on the main dashboard, look along the top menu and find the Marketing tab. Click on Marketing to open the marketing settings. Inside the marketing section, you'll see several tabs or options. Look for the one called Mailing Lists and click on it. On this mailing lists page, you should see a button that says Set up mailing lists or something very similar with a plus sign. Go ahead and click that button. A pop-up window will appear asking you which email service you'd like to connect. Click on the drop-down field in that pop-up and choose ConvertKit from the list of options. Once you've selected ConvertKit, you'll see a field where you can enter your API key. Paste the ConvertKit API key you copied earlier into this field, then click Save Details. After saving, your ConvertKit account will now be linked to Payhip. From this point on, when people purchase through Payhip, their email addresses can be automatically added to your ConvertKit email list, helping you keep your marketing organized and fully automated.